Hello and good evening to all the students. Students, in lecture first we have learned the basic concept of integers, and in lecture 2 we have done solved examples as given in Ncert book, and in today's lecture we will solve the exercise, that is exercise 1.1 as given in Ncert class 7 book. Okay, so let's start our session without any further delay. Okay students, now we will solve the question first as given in Ncert book, and the question is: following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Okay, and then there are ABCD 4 questions given in, and I have drawn this question in bold. Okay, so you can see here it is Lahul Spiti, it is Srinagar, it is Shimla, it is Ooty, and it is Bengaluru. And in question 1 and sub question A, it is written: observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay, it means we have to write the temperature as shown in the number line on a particular day. Okay, so let's write temperature in Celsius. So first is Lahul Spiti. So in previous sessions we have done number line of integers, and we all know that after 0 numbers which comes just after 0, the numbers which comes are greater than 0. That is, it means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And similarly, the numbers which comes just before are smaller than 0. That means it is -1, it is -2, it is -3, here will be -4, and it is -5 written. Similarly, it will be -6, it is -7, it is -8. It is -9 and -10 is given in your question. So Lahul Spiti temperature will be equal to -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, now we will write temperature of Srinagar. Okay, it is very easy. What is the temperature at Srinagar? It will be -2. So write it into your copy. It is -2. Now we will do Shimla. Okay, so what is the temperature of Shimla? Temperature of Shimla is given in your question. It is 5. Okay, 5 degree centigrade. Now we will do Ooty temperature. So what is the temperature of Ooty? Now we can just count from here. Here it is 10, then 11, 12, 13 and 14. So Ooty temperature will be 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. Yes, right. Now we will write temperature of Bengaluru. So what is the temperature as shown in number line? It is 20, then 21, 22. Okay. So temperature at Bengaluru is 22 degree Celsius. Okay. So you can just do in your copy. So at Lahul Spiti it is -8 degrees Celsius, at Srinagar it is -2 degrees Celsius, at Shimla it is 5 degrees Celsius, at Ooty it is 14 degrees Celsius, at Bengaluru it is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, so here are the answers of question number 1A. Now we will do B. And the question B is: what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? So which place will be hot and which place will be cold? That is hottest and coldest. So we all know that after 0, the number which comes after 0 are greater than 0, and we just move from here and we see that at 22 we present 22 places Bengaluru, and it is hottest place. So Bengaluru temperature will be 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, and it will be the hottest place. And which is the coldest place? From here we can see numbers which comes just before are smaller, and number at Lahul Spiti, that is -8 degrees Celsius, is coldest. So Lahul Spiti temperature will be, Lahul Spiti temperature here it is -8 degree Celsius. So Bengaluru will be hottest and Lahul Spiti will be coldest. And now we have to just find the difference between hottest and the coldest place. So what is the difference? So difference between hottest that is Bengaluru minus Lahul Spiti temperature, that is 22 degree centigrade minus 8, oh sorry, it is -8. So difference will be difference and it is -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now we will solve it. 22 degrees Celsius minus will be plus 8 degrees Celsius. So it will be 30 degree. So difference between hottest and coldest place will be 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, you can note from here. Okay students, and I hope that you have no problem in solving question number A and question number B, and these are very easy questions. Okay, now we will do C and D. So I am just rubbing here question number B. Okay, and in question number C we can see, yes, question number C, what is the difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay, so we have to find difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So temperature of Lahul Spiti, what is the temperature of Lahul Spiti? Lahul Spiti temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. And what is the temperature of Srinagar? So temperature of Srinagar, is -2 degrees Celsius, and we have to find the difference between them. So difference, what will be the difference? We can easily solve. -8 degrees Celsius and it will Srinagar -2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so difference will be -8 degrees Celsius and minus will be plus, so it will be 2 degrees Celsius, that is -6 degrees Celsius. So it is very easy. So from here we can find difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar is -6 degrees Celsius. And now we will do question number D. And question number D is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay, so we will first of all find temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Okay students, and I hope that you have done this question also. So I am just rubbing here. Okay, so what is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together? So it will be D, and temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Srinagar, what is the temperature at Srinagar? At Srinagar it is -2, and at Shimla, what is the temperature at Shimla? At Shimla it is 5 degree. So together temperature, when we find together temperature, that will be it will be the addition. Okay, 5 degrees Celsius plus it will be -2, so it will be 3 degrees Celsius. So together temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is 3 degrees Celsius, and the question is it less than the temperature at Shimla? That is, at Shimla it is 5 degrees Celsius. So yes, it is true. Why it is true? Because 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, and similarly another part of it is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So what is the temperature at Srinagar? Srinagar temperature is -2 degrees Celsius. So is it less than the temperature at Srinagar? It will be no. Why it will be no? It will be no because 5 degree, oh sorry, it is 3 degree. 3 degrees Celsius is greater than -2 degrees Celsius. Okay. So from here we can see the questions are very easy and we can easily solve it. Now we will do question number 2. Okay. So you just note it here. So okay students, now we will solve question number 2. And what is question number 2? I am just reading. You can see in your textbook also. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. Okay. If Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So it is very easy question and it is just addition. Okay, so 5 successive round numbers are 25, -5, 10. So I am just writing here question number 2. So what will be the scores? Scores are given as 25 and it will be, so we have to just find total. Okay, so for total we will add it. Okay, it is -5 then, and then it is -10 and it is 15. Okay, and then it is 10. Yes, right. So we can simply solve it. It will be 25, it will be plus minus minus, and similarly here plus minus will be -10, it will be 15, it will be 10. Okay, so -10 and plus 10 will be cancelled and it will be 25 -5 plus 15. So what will be the answer? It will be 25 -5 and plus 15 will be plus 10. So it will be 35. So Jack's score at the end will be 35. Okay, so you can note from here. Okay students, I hope that you have understand question number 2 and now we will do question number 3. Okay, so I am just rubbing it. So what is question number 3? It is also very easy question. And question number 3 is, at Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Okay, so I am just writing here temperature on Monday. On Monday it is given, Monday temperature is given as -5 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then we have to find temperature of Tuesday and Wednesday. So what will be the temperature on Tuesday? Okay, so on Tuesday we find question is given, it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what will be temperature on Tuesday? On Monday it was 5, so it is 5 degrees Celsius, and on Tuesday it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. That is, it became -2 degrees Celsius. So what will be temperature on Tuesday? It will be -7 degrees Celsius. And then it is written on Wednesday. On Wednesday what happened? On Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So on Tuesday it was -7 degrees Celsius and on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Okay, when we go up then it will be plus, and when we go down then it will be minus. Okay, so here it is rose by 4 degrees Celsius, then it will be +4. Okay, so it will be -3 degrees Celsius. Okay, so you can see how easy this question are. So please note it. Okay students, now we will do question number 4, and question number 4 is, a plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? And for solving this question, a picture is also given. Okay, so I am just writing the number given in the picture. Here it is 0 and here it is 5000 and below it is 1200 and this is sea level. Here it is aeroplane is given picture, it is flying, and at 1200 meter here it is submarine, and we have to just find distance between them, that is vertical distance between them. So what will be the distance between them? If it here it is 5000 and here it is 12, so distance between them it will be this distance. Okay, so now we will find distance. So distance will be, simply we have to just do addition, that is 5000 plus 1200 and it will be 6200 meters. Okay students, it is very easy question, because when we go up from sea level, here we will find 5000 and below sea level we will find 1200 and the distance between them will be 6200. Okay, so you can just note from here. Okay students, I hope that you have noted here question. Now we will do question number 5 and this will be the today's last question. Okay, so I am just coming from here. And what is the question number 5? It is very easy and you can see how easy questions are given in this textbook. Okay, so question number 5, Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraws 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Okay, so it is just simple question. It is Mohan deposit amount is given 2000 and withdrawal amount is given 1642 and here it is also given that withdrawal amount from the account is represented by a negative integer. Okay, so if withdrawal is negative, then I am representing here it by minus 1642. Okay, so now the question is, how will you represent the amount deposited? Okay, so here it is deposited amount and here it is withdrawal amount. If withdrawal is represented by negative, then it is obvious that deposit amount must be positive number, because when we deposit then it is get entry and when withdraw then we can remove from here. So if withdrawal is negative, then it will be a positive number. Okay, and the second part is find the balance in Mohan's account. So what will be the balance in Mohan account after withdrawal? Balance amount will be deposited amount minus withdrawal amount. So it will be 8, what will be 5, okay, 1 what 3 and it is 358 rupee. Okay, just mark sign. So from here you can see how easy questions are given in textbook. Okay students, so you can note from here. Okay students, I hope that you have understand questions from 1st to 5th and these are very easy. So please note here and please also like my channel, that is share, subscribe. Okay, thank you students.